The healing powers of Garcinia mangostana. Mangosteen is a scarce, tropical and expensive fruit. In Indonesia, where the tree is grown, it does not grow well on every island, while weather conditions are the same everywhere. The biotopic factors on each island can vary considerably. So therefore it's a scarce fruit and more expensive. Mangosteen is traditionally used in skin problems, wounds and skin infections. It's also a popular medicine for high blood pressure, obesity and diabetes. The bark of the tree is used in various countries such as Cambodia, Indonesia and the Philippines to make tea as a folk medicine for diarrhea. The soft part of the inside of the skin, the pericarp, serves as a means to make tea, which works against diarrhea and dysentery. This is traditionally done in India. There are many products in circulation based on substances on mangosteen. It has not yet been proven that these supplements work well. Mangosteen certainly contains special substances. These are in the fruit and not all end up in the supplement. In addition, too little research has been done to demonstrate the medicinal effects of supplements. It has also not yet been shown that mangosteen can prevent diseases, but it has been shown what conditions causes diseases, like cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer and diabetes. This cause lies in free radicals and inflammations at the cell level. These inflammations are controlled by substances in mangosteen. However, there are hundreds of fruit and vegetable species that can inhibit these inflammation processes. When scientists start researching the medicinal effects of nutrition, they want to know against which specific types of diseases a fruit has medicinal benefits. Research has shown that xanthones have an important anti-cancer effect. Xanthones are found in abundance in mangosteen. Xanthones are sometimes described by scientists as oxygen-containing heterostatic components. Substances that can supply oxygen are cancer-inhibiting. Mangosteen can do that because it has a lot of oxygen-containing components in the form of xanthones. Research shows that it reduces tumors on colon cancer cell lines. So we saw that the xanthones have an important anti-cancer effect. They can fight another notorious disease as well, namely leptospirosis, the most common animal bacterial infection worldwide caused by the bacterium Leptospira. Leptospirosis is normally controlled with antibiotics such as penicillin, doxycycline, cefotaxime, ceftriaxone, azithromycin, erythromycin and ampicillin. Research shows that different solutions of fruit extracts of mangosteen are able to fight Leptospira. And that's good news because antibiotics have side effects and antibiotic use yields resistant bacteria, making these and other bacterial diseases more difficult to combat. Substances from mangosteen are also tested in collaboration with penicillin. It then appears that penicillin works better when accompanied by xanthone administration from mangosteen. Mangosteen against arteriosclerosis due to high blood sugar levels. Too high blood sugar levels lead to damage in the veins and arteriosclerosis, which is because the blood sugar ensures that aortic nitrate oxide cannot be processed. This reduces the vein wall in quality and causes inflammation. In addition, the vein wall becomes less elastic, and therefore high blood pressure is produced. We can all take synthetic medicines to keep this process under control, but what if a fruit like mangosteen has both blood vein enhancing and diabetes inhibiting qualities? Research from Saudi Arabia and Egypt saw that mangosteen can indeed work as a medicine for both disorders. Substances in this fruit repair the vein wall by exerting influence on the nitrate oxide mechanism so that the vein wall becomes more elastic and the blood pressure decreases. Furthermore, flavones provide extra relaxation of the vein wall so that the blood flows better through the body. Osteoporosis is a bone disease that mainly occurs during and after the menopause of women. The disease is related to reduced estrogen production. For this research, the fruit juice from mangosteen was used. This has enough medicinal effects to prevent osteoporosis. The study used a mix of two fruit juices, namely Garcinia mangostana and Actinidia deliciosa. The latter is mostly called kiwi fruit. It appears that this works better than an extract from the husk of mangosteen, which was also investigated. The extract and fruit juice were compared with the medicine estradiol. It turns out that the fruit juice of mangosteen and kiwi together works best against osteoporosis. So alpha-mangosteen is a special xanthone. Italian researchers see that the substance alpha-mangostine has a strong anti-cancer effect because it is considered ethically irresponsible by medical authorities to investigate cancer without using chemotherapy. Only the effect of a natural product in combination with chemotherapy can be investigated. This pre-built censorship on scientific research does not prevent researchers from investigating the anti-cancer effects of many fruits. Alpha-mangosteen is also said to be possibly offered in collaboration with ChemoCure, since it's scientifically proven that this gives better health opportunities. Unfortunately, it is not the case that oncologists worldwide use this product or any proven natural anti-cancer product by default. This is partly due to the fact that the employees of the medical world are tied hands and feet when it comes to the use of inferior treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation, which is in short, does not appear to work, given the large number of cancer victims who die each year after undergoing these obsolete therapies. Government organizations and the rules they have constructed are not helpful when scientists want to introduce new therapies. New promising medication may not be applied under penalty of all sorts of sanctions such as dismissal, and that's obviously not what employees in the medical industry want. Other research shows that alpha-mangosteen kills breast cancer cell lines. According to several studies, it is an anti-cancer agent. Alpha-mangosteen is a xanthone, and multiple studies show that xanthones as alpha-mangosteen not only inhibit cancer but are also antibacterial. Tumor growth is always accompanied by the presence of pathogenic bacteria. So the xanthone knife even cuts at 3 sides. It can induce the death of a cancer cell. It inhibits pathogenic bacteria, and it is an antioxidant, which means it clears free radicals that can cause DNA damage. And this DNA damage from a healthy body cell is one of the conditions for the cell to become a cancer cell.